There's your roadblock.
Might be in a spot of trouble here. I don't know. You know, I think he did radio ahead.
Somebody get hurt?
What the hell's going on? To this other cop.
No, just keep going.
All right. Oh, here they come. Oh, God.
Here they come. Did you see her face when she picked up her head?
What the hell was that?
I don't know, man. Holy shit. Vampire. Let him go ahead of us, man. Slow down. Dude, let's just get back to that cop. Everything will be cool.
I'm trying, yeah.
No, but what if they get that cop, too? I don't think you should just keep driving. I think you should just keep going back.
No, we gotta tell this cop what the f we just saw back there.
No, but...
There was another cop face down on the ground. It looked like she was chewing on his neck or something.
No, one smeared blood all over those windows.
Yeah.
All right, there's the cop up there. I don't see the bikes.
Where do they go?
No, I know, but what if that's them?
They just didn't pass like we did.
Stop, right there. Get out of the car. I told you not to go around.
Hey,
get
look.
out of the car.
Hey, listen.
Get out of the car.
Something terrible's happened down
I told
there.
you not to get your hands on the car.
I'm trying to tell you
get
we're in
out of the
trouble.
car.
Something terrible's happened down there.
You shouldn't be. You're on scare tactics.
It says you're on scare tactics.
He set you up.
I'm still shaking.